Hazur, is it permitted to work in alcohol-related businesses?
It is very difficult to determine a business today which is not altogether alcohol related, because you work in many factories, in food factories and this and that, where they also prepare alcohol, and you also serve in shops and stores where they sell alcohol. Would you like all Ahmadis to withdraw from all such stores altogether? It's not possible. The economy will be destroyed, and the question would be that of survival. That is why I have always maintained this position that you should not own a business where you serve alcohol. If you do that, I'll throw you out of Jamaat Ahmadiyya, in accordance with the instruction of Rasulullah that consider those who work in these things. But here the difference is that those who own such things, such joints, where alcohol is sold as their property, it's a different thing altogether. But if you're serving the cause of a master who owns the business and who also owns the alcohol in a big store, for instance, that is not your responsibility. But at the same time, I have advised Ahmadis to avoid serving alcohol in restaurants. There you can offer the sacrifice. You say, this is against my principle. I am not going to serve alcohol myself. So seek another employment in the same store maybe, whereby you do not have to carry alcohol in your hands and serve the others with. So this is my overall policy regarding the question of alcohol. Are you satisfied? Right.